You need to derive define the experimentally drive ratio. Right? Drive ratio is is defined by this formula where input and in is the number of rotation of input compared to number of rotation, right? Number of revolution. Right? Revolution of output. Okay. First you need to define which one input. If you define input, this one output, or this one input, this one output, right?
Okay.
So you need to rotate this one. Okay, let's say this one start from here to here is one rotation, right?
Okay.
One rotation. Then how many rotation of output that you need to observe, right? So for example, here, right? When you rotate, this one rotation, but this one is not yet one rotation, right? So you need to do the experiment. So you will know how many rotation of input can produce how many rotation of output. It's not yet.
To complete the one rotation of
Yeah.
output.
It's better for you to get the round up. Yeah, that's it. Right? So it starts here, and then it's end here and here, right? So you know how many rotation. Then you can get the drive ratio. That the number 3. And then after that you need to do analytically that means you need to use a formula, but I won't give you the formula. You need to come up with the formula yourself.
Come
Right?
out with
Yeah, by using number of teeth. The hint is using number of teeth. So you need to count the number of teeth here, number of teeth of output. So you need to use that information. For example, this one is 30 or 35. This one 100 teeth, right? So you need to use that information so to get the same drive ratio, right?
When we get the same reference.
Yeah. If not the same, then you need to discuss. You need to
in this one compare result.
yeah, you need to mention why it's not the same. Because basically today is okay because you can do the experiment, right? If you do not have this, how you want to know the drive ratio without have this device, right?
Okay.
So basically you need to calculate, and that calculation you know normally you use a formula, right? Normally you use formula. That formula that you need to derive today, right? That formula, because normally what normally you do you just get the formula and then you just put the information in the formula and then you get the answer, right? So today you need to derive the formula, so you know how hard to derive the formula. For the previous scientists, right? Normally you just take for granted the formula, right?
So,
Okay.
number 6 ni, resemble mechanism of the empiric ni.
That one I will explain later.
Oh.
For planetary gate is I will explain later. Okay, you just do the until number 5.
Number 5.
Okay.
So this one is the input, this one the output.
It's up to you. You need to
And
define.
at the middle,
Okay.
what's the function of?
For bar mechanism, this one what we call coupler. Yeah, just like one input and one output, and then
There is coupler.
coupler connecting those two.
Alright.
This one we can consider as coupler.
Okay.